In this lecture, we'll be covering Vue Lifecycle. So whenever a new instance of Vue is created by making use of the constructor new Vue, over here you can see that, there is an event called before create which we can capture, and after that we have this observe data and initialize events. And once all these are completed, we have our created event. So we can capture created event at that point of time whenever a new instance is created. Now, if the EL option is specified, it checks that after the created event. And if it finds one, then it checks whether it has the template option. If it has the template option, it will go to compile template into render function. And then we have our before mount event. So, couple of events that we have captured till now is before create, created, before mount, and after that it creates the element and replaces L with the actual element that we have mentioned, and then the element gets mounted. So here we have our mounted event, and this is a circular loop which keeps on checking whenever the data changes. It keeps on mounting that, and we have a virtual DOM over here which has got these two events, updated and before update. So whenever data changes occur, we have these two events, updated and before update, which we can capture. And finally, when we call this destroy method, we have an event before that that's called before destroy, and then we have watchers and component event listeners, and finally the instance is destroyed, and to capture that we have the destroyed event. Over here, if the L option is not present, in that case it keeps on checking this one. When vm.mount with the element is called, then checks the has template option. If has template option is false, it will go over here and it will compile else outer HTML as template, and then it will proceed further. We'll be covering Vue Lifecycle events in upcoming lectures.